I'll answer that one if you like. Raj, you can correct me if you think I'm wrong or you've got a different opinion. I think there's been a lot of talk about CGT rising, as I say, to the rates of income tax levels. And I do think that's pretty real, that might happen. There was also issues talked about previously where there were some thoughts that if there was a change of government, then potentially you might find that that rate will be even higher. And I think the number of about 56% has been sort of mooted around before, so double what it is at the moment. So again, the illustrations that I had drawn up and shown you on the slide were all based around the current legislation at 28%. So you can imagine the damage that will be caused or the extra taxes that will be payable if indeed that rate does go up. Raj, did you have anything you wanted to add to that?
Yeah, I think we all have heard enough in the press about how this government's going to pay for all the support that's been provided during the course of the pandemic. The Chancellor in his last budget was trying to leave the country with a glimmer of hope, and so didn't press ahead with lots of tax changes. The most notable one was the increase in corporation tax to 25% from April 23. But I think there will need to be a real conversation taking place in government as to how they're going to plug this deficit, and bringing CGT in line with income tax rates is an easy solution for them, and one that's been tried and tested in the past. So my opinion is that we can't discount that. There's a good possibility that it might not happen now, it might not happen in the next year, but give it 2 years, April 23, when hopefully things are more back to normal, there's a good chance that the rate of CGT will go up.
I don't think it'll be waiting for an autumn statement or a budget, Raj. I think it'll be suddenly thrust upon us that this is what's happening. It'll be an overnight thing. We've seen the revenue do that before. So let's wait and see. Well, hopefully that's answered that question.